back, everyone. This week we're at Asskicker, and I'm here with Jesse, Jorge, and Fox. Fox, I guess, didn't have such a great time at Chloe's Kingdom. Bit gutted I wasn't able to do that race. It's one of my favourites, even though I do terrible every single fucking time. But yeah.
There will be sections like this.
You enjoy this?
Yeah, that's right.
Not bad.
Wait till you get to something like the hills.
Yeah, so, you know, like, so as we couldn't go to, I didn't go to Chloe's Kingdom, and I think Fox's fuel pump or something happened to his fuel line, and his fuel, it was the fuel filter, it was completely clogged, so it just choked his bike out, and yeah, that was a shame, so he didn't even get to do the race either. But I've been watching little clips and seeing everyone posting, and like, it's definitely one of my favourite races. I absolutely love that race, even though I'm terrible at it, and I always do terrible, but I have so much fun. It is a challenge, so it was really good. I get to come out, and like, they've never been to Asskicker, and Relentless, so we're like, fuck it, yeah, let's come here and let's ride this trail. So it's a good trail. I think this is probably the first time I've ever been here where it's actually dry as well. So we were thinking like, oh yeah, those hills are really hard, blah 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 blah. But actually, when it is like bone dry, they're totally fine. I guess just every time I've been before, it's been pissing with rain. So or it's like, you know, wet. So I have no, or I come with the wrong tires and it's wet. So yeah, like, you know, it's suboptimal. But it's good to be out. Good to be out on the bike. Suspension actually felt really good here because I just made it really soft, so I just felt like I was bouncing around all over the place, but it felt good. I feel good. I actually get some sleep now. Like, Guyu's past his, he had a sleep regression the week before, so that was like horrific, but this week he's been way better, way better, so that's cool. Yeah, get to come out and do some riding. Feels good. Feels good.
Do you want to lead?
Sure.
Alright.
I won't catch you.
We'll try and follow Fox. And here we go. And now he's going, and he's gone. He's gone. Yeah. I'm never gonna catch him. I don't even have my goggles on right now. This was an additional mistake, but I don't think it's gonna help. So he's gone. It's so dry here. It's actually dusty.
Even in the rocks.
Even in the rocks, he's fast.
Pick up.
I think he said he put a moose in the front after all these years and just been like, whatever, I just race on a flat front tire, it's fine. It's like, oh, Jesus. Man's a monster. It's quite overgrown, but there's not too many people that come here, so that's probably why it's overgrown a little bit more. It's not terribly overgrown, but yeah. It's a good place to come practice if you guys want to get ready for the court. Relentless is just batter your body, but Asskicker is great fun. Just a million hops and semi-rough cut terrain. Like, there's some sections which are bumpier than others, and others bits that are not. Like, when I ride this, I feel like I'm going so fast. But then I look at the video, I'm like, oh, nope. But, I mean, whatever. Oh, it is so much fun. Oh, just like, there's like little kickers every 3 meters. You can just be constantly doing little hops and jumps everywhere. It's good. It's a good place. Really good place to ride. But a little bit more technical than, say, like, I don't know, London. I did actually get out riding one other time earlier this year as well. I didn't bother. Don't want to hit that at speed. That would be pretty shitty. I did get out one other time. We went to the. I think it was Hendry and the one just north of it. I forgot what it's called. You have to like go up the road a bit, and then you turn left at Crossroads, and you go down, and then there's like this big long trail system in there, which still had mud. But I didn't bother making a video of that day because it was 42 after humidity that day, so it was so hot. Like, we ragged it for about 5 minutes, and then it was just like, I'm kind of really hot, so we just rode really slowly. So the video is just literally us just pottering around really slowly, and most of the day we just spent talking and just doing very slow riding, slow gentle riding, and like, it's a cool trail, and there's some nice surprisingly varied terrain in there where it's like bumpy 1 second and smooth and flowy the next, and then bumpy the next section with a bunch of rocks and stuff. But it was just so hot, we were all struggling. It was just unbearable. But today was a beautiful day. absolutely zero complaints. None of our bikes fell apart. I didn't rattle out my brake caliper bolts. Oh, I was pretty happy with this. And then I fell over there, but I mean, I made it over, and I was happy about that. I did cut out like 1.5 pumps where I was like, wait, which bit do I do? Like, how do I move my body again to do this? Because that was the first one I've done in like, what, 9 months? So I was like, how do I move my body to do the maneuver? But I figured it, and I got over the log, so I was pretty happy about that. It's a good place to go riding. I'd strongly recommend anyone to come here and ride this. I do not recommend it if you are alone and you're a novice, though. Might get yourself into a lot of trouble. There's quite a few bailout points, but like this place can wreck your bike pretty quickly, as I have found out when I punctured my exhaust pipe up through my radiator. But I mean, that was also not entirely the place's fault. That was more just years of neglect and the header pipe rubbing slowly against the bottom of the radiator. First little hill climb. I think they shut off a part of the trail. There was like opposite here where we usually come out and come across. Like there was like, I don't know, like a white set of underwear hanging up on the tree, and the SCORRA tags have been taken. So maybe that bit's been shut for now or something. It's obscenely steep.
Now I am.
He was asking if I filmed it. Nope. This bit, like, spooks me out, especially as I got like memories of Chris falling down there and bending his front brake disc. This was pretty neat. Fox showing us some hard enduro, trying to get a better angle.
I think I'll go around it.
Yeah, me too, man.
Whoa!
Not bad.
I mean, you can see how high the bike went up to get the front and how far it dropped down. I took the chicken line. Like, I didn't want to smash my bike up today. I just wanted to like ride further in and get it done. However, we'll let the other guys play around. You can smash their bikes up.
Whoa!
You alright? Yeah.
All good, man?
Gotta do a bigger wheelie, man.
It's dry as well, so that makes a
Oh, nice, it does. Oh, yeah.
That was my bad. I should have been there.
Yeah.
Sorry, man.
What a dumbass standing in the way. Fox was like, I reckon I could get some
Good
speed
bail, man.
and do a jump up that bit, and well, no, the rear wheel just bounced off the ground. And then he was like, I can go from here. Fucking hell. I spun the thing around so you could get a better idea of the trees, because I was holding the camera and it was completely wonky, so it looked even less dramatic unless I tilted the trees upright. But yeah, at least he didn't hurt himself, which is all that matters there. And then there's another hill. It's like, oh, this looks more and more exposed each time I come
What the
through.
fuck is this now?
I swear there used to be mud on this last year, but it actually was completely fine. Spoiler alert. Good day to ride. It's a very good day to ride. Yeah, easy peasy. Probably shouldn't look at the tree, but whatever.
Oh, it's fine in the dry.
And then up comes Jorge. Easy peasy as well.
Oh, hey, same as me. More style though. Yeah.
And then the last
Here's me.
little hill climb. I think the layer on the left was the original line we did the very first year, and then over the years, like the right has all become exposed. But again, it's pretty easy. Easy in the dry,
so easy when
complete,
it's dry.
yeah, complete nightmare in the wet. So yeah, it's been a very, very good day to go riding, and yeah, I think that'll do for this week. See ya.